You've seen the short clips, lipstick on glass, pigment transfers, and bite mark analysis. What if I told you your favorite shade could place you at a crime scene? I'm Karen, a scientist by training and a beauty sleuth by passion, and in this week's episode, we are going to be decoding lipstick through a forensic lens. Let's go. First things first, if you need to use a lip scrub for some dry or chapped lips, please do that first, and then apply some lip balm before you apply your lip liner. I want to comment that bold, high pigment matte lipsticks leave some of the clearest transfers for forensic analysis. That type of finish is smooth and opaque, perfect for visibility under lab conditions. And now here's the fun part. Application technique matters. A lighter press leaves a faint trace, while a heavier press gives you a full print. And texture plays a role too. Glossy lipsticks smear more dramatically, while matte shades tend to leave sharper edges. Both can be useful, but in different forensic contexts. While I go ahead with my eyeliner look of the week, I will share more on how lipstick and forensic testing tie together in reconstructing a crime scene. So what's inside lipstick that makes it traceable? Most formulas contain a blend of waxes, oils, and pigments. Iron oxides give us reds and browns, while titanium dioxide makes shades brighter and more opaque. That unique recipe becomes a forensic fingerprint. Sound familiar? Last week I spoke about eyeliner identification where similar facts were explained. In the lab, analysts can use techniques like GCMS, that's gas chromatography mass spectrometry, or Raman spectroscopy, to match a lipstick trace to a specific brand, sometimes even to a shade. And the way lipstick transfers tells a story too. The direction of a smear, the pressure, the contact surface, all of that helps reconstruct what happened. Think of GCMS like a super high-tech coffee filter mixed with a detective. First, it separates all the ingredients in a lipstick, like oils, waxes, and pigments, just like a filter separates coffee grounds from liquid. Then it weighs and identifies each ingredient, kind of like checking fingerprints. That's how scientists know exactly what's inside and can compare it to a specific brand or shade. Raman is basically a laser flashlight for science. You shine a laser on the lipstick trace, and the way the light bounces back tells you what it's made of. Imagine shining a flashlight through a stained glass window. The color that comes out gives you clues about what's inside. Forensic scientists use this to identify pigments and chemicals without even touching the samples. I'm going to explain a real-world forensic tie-in, because it isn't just a theory, it shows up in real cases. In one investigation, lipstick left on a scarf helped link a suspect to the victim. The pigment was chemically matched to a rare brand shade, and the smear pattern aligned with the timeline of events. Lipstick traces on cigarette butts or glasses can also be powerful. They don't just hold pigment, they can hold DNA from saliva. Even bite mark analysis can be enhanced when lipstick highlights the impression left behind. So yes, that little tube in your purse is more powerful than you think. And just like in the last video, technique is following your lower lash line out, and then wherever you feel comfortable on the top lid to connect it to kind of draw a triangle. And there we go. That's eyeliner. I'm going to add an accent color. I realized that last week I didn't have any accent colors. I just did 3 colors. And I do have 3 colors right now, but I'm going to be a little crazy and put on yellow as an accent color. And so the accent color I put either in between here or in between here. I've done both before. But today it's just going to be a little accent color. You can see that I went until my mascara a little bit. So we got 4 colors today, 3 regular and 1 accent color. Thanks for watching. I can't forget my tagline. From lab to liner, stay sharp.